Aloha, class. I hope everyone had a great week and is doing well as we start to wind down in the semester. This week we'll be talking about organizational change, incentive, culture, and motivation. We'll start off with the Did You Know? Then we'll recap Lesson 10, talk about Lesson 11 objectives, the assignments due, the HOA group meetings, and one final thought. Did you know that if you invested instead of spent $350 a day at a rate of 6%, you would have $106,000 after 30 years? The lesson here is that even saving a little over a long period of time adds up. Now let's recap Lesson 10, Team versus Self. Again, with the wilderness exercise that you all did, you have to learn how to balance the team needs and goals versus your own personal goals and desires. Something to think about is, what are my persuasion skills like? How do I show up or react in a group setting where we're making decisions? And one final thought I would leave everyone with is a concept of lean forward and step back. If you typically are more reserved or conservative in a group meeting, I would challenge you to lean forward a little bit, which is raise your hand, speak up, even though it's a little uncomfortable. As far as stepping back, if you're maybe naturally more outgoing or extroverted and perhaps tend to dominate or speak up frequently in a meeting, take a step back and perhaps let others speak up, or encourage others to speak up simply by saying, John, what do you think about this? So, all right, that's a recap of Lesson 10. Our Lesson 11 objectives. We're going to understand the principles of organizational change, analyze the role of organizational culture and workplace satisfaction, and consider employee motivation and its role in effectiveness. The assignments that are due for Lesson 11 by Tuesday, 11:59, there is a case study write-up on the Barbara Norris Leading Change in General Surgery unit. Complete your readings in the 5 behaviors of a dysfunctional team, pages 117 to 156. Due on Monday at 8 a.m. You should have completed your HOA meeting. Again, most groups meet anywhere from Tuesday through Thursday. Make sure you do your posts in the reading discussions. Posts on Wednesday or Thursday is recommended. And then finally, make sure you take the self-assessment. This week, I'll be meeting with groups 8 and 9 in the HOA group meetings, and team leaders, you know the drill as far as the agenda and recording the meeting. And again, make sure you take advantage of the time together and try to connect the different concepts and bring up the different concepts we've talked about throughout the course. One final thought from Elder Dieter F. Uchtdorf. What shall we give in return for so much? Love this thought as we've been blessed with so much, and how do we give back? All right, everybody. Hope you have a great week. I'll see you online. Bye-bye.